All right, so I just got this UFO Smartpass amplified outdoor RV TV antenna. So anyway, look at this. It's 55 to 65 miles. That's all these specs on it. And give you a little idea, you can do 4K. I guess it works pretty good. And this is the box itself, and I'm going to show you what's inside of this bad boy. Yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. So apparently it features this exclusive technology from the antenna manufacturer where it's got a Smartpass amplifier. So we'll see how it works. It does have some information on the back, and you guys can screenshot this. It's got a lot of specs. I'm just going to go through slowly so you can see it all. And apparently this is what's in the box. As you can see, 33 feet of coaxial cable. That's nice. All right, so let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. Let's open this box up. First things first, we got to get the box open, and which is always kind of a pain in the butt. Come on. All right, so there we go. Look, hold it. What's this say? Problems or questions? Call us. We can help. All right, well, that's cool, right? All right, so they said they had 33 feet of cord, and that's definitely 33 feet of coaxial cord. Let's set that over there. It does come with a box of stuff. We'll have to look at that, put it over there. And it looks like this is the unit itself. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. Check it out. Oh, look at that. There's your coaxial. And it looks like it's got a special thing to hook in there. And there's the top of it. It looks like a flying saucer, huh? All right, let's set it over there. Let's see what else we got. Of course, you definitely need instructions. Let's put that over there. And then I think we're going to have... All right, so this hooks onto the wall. And then that screws into... We're going to show you how to put that together. Let's see what else we got. Oh, here it is. This is the steel that you can put on the wall, which we may need that. Let's put that over there. And it does come with another, little booklet. Save that. And here's their smart technology thing they were talking about. So we'll have to look at that too. Put that over there. And is there anything else? Oh, a couple brackets. So that's what comes in the box. Let's take a look at it. Here we are. All right, so it doesn't look super complicated. I think we can do it. I mean, I do believe that this probably pretty simple, right? Just got to figure out, spin that off. And if you look over here, you're going to see that there's like teeth right there, right? So I'm imagining that this goes like this. Like this. You see? Kind of goes in there. And then you got to kind of figure out where you're going to put it. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on here like that. Bam. All right, Bob's your uncle. There we go. So this is ready to go. Let's set it down like this. Now we've got this smart technology thing, and I'm sure that this goes somewhere. Let's take a look at this. All right, so it's got this plug-in, and it's got your two coaxials right here. So the question is, this must go in the house somewhere, I would imagine, because it's got some, it's got these different things on here that you click on. Let's set that to the side. And these are, I guess this is for attaching it onto this device right here. So here's the directions on that. So you can put this on the outside wall so you guys can see. And then this would, lead up somehow And there's your coaxial. So you hook this all up. I would imagine this is for the outside so it doesn't get rain on, right? Like that. And then this would go to the interior. But I do believe I've got coaxial out there that I could just hook onto it. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, this looks like the this goes onto this device here, I would imagine. I'm just, you know, spitballing it here because I see this, right? And you got that. So I do believe that this goes like this on here. And then we have to plug this in somewhere. So this is going to come out of the wall. This is probably going to go into the TV. You know what I mean? And or this side's going to go in the TV, and this is, I don't know, this must be the other side of your coaxial coming out of your wall, and this goes in the TV, and then of course this will plug into your power source, and then this here apparently turns on the system. So something of that nature. But we'll have to figure it out and install it. And when we do, we will show you guys how to do that. That is what comes in the box. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.